Hello children, in previous video we have completed representation of rational numbers on the number line and rational numbers between two rational numbers. Now we are going to start the exercise related to those two topics. So exercise 1.2. The first bit is represent these numbers on the number line. The first one is 9 by 7 and the second one is minus 7 by 5. Can I represent these two fractions on the same number line? No, I cannot represent because the denominators are not same here. So I have to take the different number lines and I have to represent. So the first one is 9 by 7. So how you represent 9 by 7? 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7 is equals to 1, 8 by 7 and 9 by 7. So this we are representing on the number. Either this way you can represent, and you all know that this is a improper fraction. You can change into a mixed fraction and also you can represent. So less than 10 if you are having a numerator, you can represent like this. Now the second one is minus 7 by 5. So how do you represent minus 7 by 5? It is also an improper fraction. So if you want, you can check it by dividing 5 1 are 5, 7 minus 5 2. So this is equals to 1 2 by 5. So it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So 0 you write down here, then minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5. So this is the representation of minus 7 by 4 by 5, 5 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5. So minus 5 by 5 is equals to minus 1. So representation of the rational numbers on the number. Now the second one is represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13 minus 9 by 13 on the number line. Represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13 minus 9 by 13 on the number line. Can I represent all these three rational numbers on a same number line? Yes, because the denominator is same. I can represent all the three rational numbers on the single number line. So you are having the negative and also positive. You have to take both now here. 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13. Minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 9 by 13. So what are they here? Minus 2 by 13. So this is minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13. This is 5 by 13 and minus 9 by 13. This is minus 9 by 13. So like this, if the denominator is same, you can represent all the rational numbers in a single number line. Next we go to the third one. The third solution is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. So what are the rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6? 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. So these are smaller than, and you can write 0 by 6 less than, 1 by 6 less than, 2 by 6 less than, 3 by 6 less than, 4 by 6 less than, 5 by 6 less than, 6 by 6 also if you want you can write. So they asked only less than 5 by 6. So these are the rational numbers. Next question. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. So -1 and 2, are they rational numbers? Yes, they are rational numbers. If you write by writing a denominator 1. What are the numbers between -1 and 2? Do you have any numbers between -1 and 2? Yes. What are they? 0 and 1. Only 2 numbers we are having, but they are asking you here 12 rational numbers. So I told you already in the previous class, you make the denominator same for given 2 fractions or given 2 rational numbers, then you get the infinitely many rational numbers. So I am multiplying this with 10 and also 10. This is -10 by 10. And 2 can be written as a rational number by writing 1 as a denominator. Multiply this and this with 10. You will get to 20 by 10. So how many rational numbers you will get between -10 and 20? -10 by 10, -9 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10, -6 by 10, -5 by 10, -4 by 10, -3 by 10 and so on. So you will get 20 rational numbers between and so on till 20 by 10. So you will get 10 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Actually the rational numbers between -1 and 2 are only 0 and 1. But you make the denominator same and you can insert how many rational numbers you want between the given 2 rational numbers. Next, 5th one. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So here they gave directly a rational number, and but the denominators are not same. You have to make the denominators same, and they are asking you only one rational number between them. So how to make the denominators same? What you multiply 3 and what you multiply with 4, they both will become same. So multiply 3 with 4, and when you are multiplying the denominator with any number, the same number should be multiplied with the numerator also. So 8 by 12. And 3 by 4 can be multiplied. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. This is 9 by 12. Do you have any numbers between 8 and 9? No. So what we have to do? So make this one again by multiplying with 40 and 40, that is equals to 80 by 120. 3 by 4 can be multiplied with 30 and 30. So we will get 90 by 120. So the denominators are same here. And numerators are 80 and 90. So how many will get? Nearly 10 rational numbers you will get between 80 and, so 80 by 120, 80 by 120, 81 by 120, 82 by 120, 83 by 120 and so on 90 by 120. So like this we have to insert the rational numbers. Next, the last question, that is the 6th one. Find 10 rational numbers between -3 by 4, -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Find 10 rational numbers between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So here also the denominators are not same. So you have to make the denominator same by multiplying with the number which makes the denominators equal. So here 4 and here 6 is there. So you multiply with 6. What you will get? -18 by 24, and 5 by 6 can be multiplied with 4 and 4. 5 4s are 20 by 6 4s are 24. So what numbers you will get between -18 and 20? So -18 by 24, -17 by 24, minus 16 by 24, minus 15 by 24, minus 14 by 24, minus 13 by 24, minus 12 by 24, minus 11 by 24, minus 10 by 24 and so on. So many we get. Minus 8 by 9 by 24, 8 by 24, 7 by 24, 6 by 24, minus 5 by 24, minus 4 by 24, minus 3 by 24, minus 2 by 24, minus 1 by 24, 0 by 24, and afterwards you get all the positive integers till 20. So how many rational numbers you are getting? We are getting so many, but they asked only 10. So you can take any 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. I hope you all understand.